Hey everybody, welcome to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie, and I'm bringing you another edition of my 60-second DIY. What's it gonna be today? Let's find out. Ready, set, go! I've got 60 seconds on the clock. Here we go. I bought this perfect little letterboard at Dollar Tree. I was so excited to find it. An easel and one wooden bead. I wish I would have gotten two of these because I would have had more letters. These are so cute to have for your kids. They can write sentences, your little kindergartners, first grade, because I used to teach first grade. This would have been perfect in my classroom. But can you guess what I'm spelling? That's right, hello spring. So now I've got some flowers left over from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna use a little sprig, and I do use one little hot glue drop in there to keep it secure. And now we're just gonna hot glue it to the easel. It is so lightweight that it just fits perfectly on there. And then the very last touch is that large wooden bead. How cute is that? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ta-da! We finished. This is a darling Hello Spring sign that you can change any saying, any quote, and make sure you pick up two if you find it. I love this. It's super easy, and I hope that you love it too. So thanks for joining me on this 60-second DIY. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and even a comment. I would love to hear from you. I'll see you next time on Soozie's Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.